FitLab Pittsburgh podcast here with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. We are deep in the holiday season. It's time for shopping and errands, and you still have to get through work and your regular home to-do lists. Kicking around the idea of what's one thing you can remove from the holiday to-do list that would still let you enjoy the season, but would take a little bit of stress off your plate. My friend Linda just told me that she's going to skip sending holiday cards this year. Even if she had time to buy the cards, she said she doesn't have time to sit down and address them. So she's going to remove that item from her list. What's one item you can remove from your holiday list that wouldn't impact your enjoyment of the season, but would remove some stress from your plate? Let us know in the comments or drop us an email. Tell us one thing you can do to make the holiday season a little more cheerful and a little less stressful. FitLab Pittsburgh podcast wishing you a movement-filled, peaceful, enjoyable holiday season.